Okay guys, now let's go out. And it's raining. But that's not gonna stop us from seeing some cool things today. Do you recognize this flame? Have you seen it anywhere in America maybe? Let me know in the comments. Oops. That's where we're going later. But first, let's take a look at Paris' fanciest shopping street, Avenue Montaigne. It's a very calm street actually, but it's very close to Champs-Élysées with Zara, H&M and many more other stores. Don't even know what brand this is, to be honest. Haven't heard of this one either. Mystery. Oh, hello lady. It was not that interesting. I really love the ambience of Paris. It's a very beautiful street. And this is one of the best hotels in Paris. I wish I could have gone inside. I don't really like high fashion brands. I don't think I'm in the right age, to be honest, but I do like soft things. Okay, let's try something on. What do you guys think? Nope, I will probably never use them. Maybe something more practical? Okay, and we succeed with first thing. The reason why I don't like brandy stuff is because it's either made for older ladies or for aliens. Like, for example, in Chanel. I mean, just look at these boots, like a salmon. Or a snake. Come on, that's not for our video. Okay, now it's time for some real adventure. We are going up the Eiffel Tower. I mean the Eiffel Tower. And here a trick. Don't go in the long lines. Go on the acting tour.
Come on.
For just €38 per person, you get a whole tour that takes you past all the lines by these actors. The Eiffel Tower has 1,668 steps, but don't worry, there is a lift. It's the most visited paid monument in the world with 7 million visitors per year. And once we will reach the top, we will be 324 meters above the sea. Have fun waiting! Poor guys there. No, we are going to a special part that's not accessible unless you are on a tour. Oh, just one more staircase. Excuse the view, soon it will get much more impressive. So this is an area in the upper tower that's not usually accessible. The views aren't exactly better, but it looks cool to have this skeleton structure around you. Over there you can see the amazing beautiful Montmartre and some of the city landscapes. Yay, we did it! We were all the way up there. Now let's take a slow walk. Not that slow. No way, this old French lady is trying to pass me. Oh, she's too fast, I will let her win. Yay, that's my country's flag. Watch out for the Germans. Oh, you thought we were done with shopping? Which store you think we will find at the end of this maze? Still haven't figured out? Maybe now? Believe it or not, it's Abercrombie and Fitch. Oh, let's not do this stair thing again. What do you think? Can I pull off ahead? Now for the best part of Paris, desserts. My precious. Just look at all these вкусняшки. That's what you call tasty things in Russian. I can recommend the rose and green tea flavors. That's my favorite. But they're all good. The macaron is a famously French cookie. But did you know that the macaron was invented in Italy over 500 years ago and brought to France by Catherine de' Medici, who married the future king of France, Henry II? But Italian and French have slightly different ingredients, so you should try both if you can. Yay, now I'm super happy with a smile that will give you nightmares. Time for a mojito. Ooh. It's alcohol free. Time to read some of your comments. What do you want to see more of it? That's enough resting. These bicycle taxis are a ripoff. We all know this. But why are they so enjoyable then? They do give you a much more intimate view of the city. Sometimes a bit too intimate. Traffic is kinda scary. As for other modes of transport, I can recommend a boat tour. It gives you some different perspectives. Even if it was a cold and unpleasant day, Paris is rather beautiful and charming in gloomy weather. I bet you remember Notre Dame from my last video? Being on a boat tour really gives you a beautiful perspective of it. And do you remember the museum we went to? Museum d'Orsay? You know, the one that looked like a train station. So that's the end of this part of my Paris discoveries. In my next part, I will take you guys on a helicopter tour and to Disneyland. I really appreciate you watching all the way to the end. That is so amazing of you. I hope you liked being with me. Don't forget to subscribe.